First, from the left menu, click on WhatsApp Stores. You'll now see the main configuration screen. Here you can see the list of already added store. To create a new store, click on the New WhatsApp Store. Enter basic store information: store unique alias, store name, WhatsApp number, upload logo and cover, profile allowed, file types are PNG, JPG or JPEG. Once all your details are added, click Save to publish your WhatsApp store. That's how simple it is to set up your branded WhatsApp store with Vbiz cards.